Revolving now from the live desk, a tsunami warning issued for Japan this morning after a strong earthquake hit off the country's northeastern coast overnight. This new video posted on social media, it shows fishing vessels evacuating offshore shortly after that magnitude 7.5 quake hit, roughly 62 miles off to the country's coast at a depth of about 6 miles below the sea surface. Train service suspended in some areas. This person saying their train's emergency brake was applied before an alert went off on their cell phone. The Japan Meteorological Society urging people in that region to immediately stay away from the coast or along rivers and take shelter on higher ground. Thankfully, the U.S. tsunami warning system said a destructive tsunami here on our country's west coast not expected, and there is no threat to Hawaii. This new earthquake comes just a few months after another 7.5 magnitude quake hit Japan back in December, leaving dozens of people hurt. That quake triggered mass evacuations and several tsunami warnings.